Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys a sync issue I was having. So here I have a file, and when I kept playing it, I would hear the audio before the playhead would actually hit the visible part of the waveform. So let me see if I can get to do it again. Welcome. So you can see how that's just before it's actually hitting the waveform. Now, I believe what the problem is the resync media files. If I kept doing a take, here you can see it says take $, and I just have that to be whatever my screen capture names the file that. And if I do several takes or I don't like it, I will delete it and then do another file. I don't know if it has something to do with that or just the resync media file, but it kept happening to me and I thought it was a software issue. So I would play it and it wouldn't line up. And then I was like, all right, I can't edit. So if we delete this and I still have the same folder here, I'll try it one more time here, resync. And then we have the take. I'll drop that down. Let's see what it does. Welcome back. Welcome back. Still a little early. So I'm going to delete that again. I'm going to grab the spot and pull the file in directly right here. So now I dragged and dropped it straight from the hard drive, and this solved it for me before. Let's see what it does. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. Okay, still doing it. So that theory's kind of blown out of the water. Let me delete it one more time. I'm going to go ahead and rename this. So I'm renaming it on the hard drive spot. Now I'll drag and drop it. And then let's see when it redraws the waveform here, if it'll be in sync. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Still seems a little bit off, but better than it was. Welcome back. Welcome back to. I don't know if it's a caching problem or something with the project files. I went in here and deleted the render cache out of the project, but that still didn't work. Let's go back here now that I renamed it. We'll delete that again because it could be that. Right click, resync media files. It'll see that I renamed it to take one. And now let's see what it does. Welcome back to. Welcome back. All right, that's closer. Certainly better than it was when I first started this tutorial. I think it could be the naming convention. It's some kind of cache problem. I ended up recording straight to my local drive, and that pretty much resulted in the same thing, but then I got onto the whole let me drag it in instead of resync it, and that fixed it. Right now it's actually recording a file called take $, as well. So I don't know if that's having a little effect on that. Welcome back. Welcome back. That is a little more acceptable than it was when I first started this. So if you do have that problem where the audible audio is delayed from the visible waveform, go ahead and check that and see if that fixes it. All right. And leave a comment if you guys do discover what some other cause might be or another workaround. I'd love to know it. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.